Okay mga kabis, ito update ko lang kayo sa Daddy Joe's fitness journey. Okay, so we started 2 months ago. So ito, treadmill tayo. Mag-exercise nga ako Daddy Joe 3 times a week. Treadmill. Tapos siyempre meron din tayong dumbbells. Ayan, dumbbells din tayo. Okay, yun na, progress ni Daddy Joe. And then of course, dito tayo sa gym natin. Dito sa aming condo. Yan. So, 1 hour bike. So, 1 hour ano tayo, treadmill, and then 15-20 minutes bike. And then do some dumbbells. Okay, so far progress ni Daddy Joe. So, I've lost 13 pounds. Okay, in 2 months, from May until July 11. Okay? So, ang target natin is lose 40 pounds by the end of the year. So, kaya ba Daddy Joe? Samahan niyo ako sa fitness journey. Okay? Ingat. Keep on working. Enjoy life. Start happy. Be happy. Bye-bye.